Hello friends, welcome to Max Toppers. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe, like and share. We are going to learn the lesson Introduction to Trigonometry. So before entering the chapter, let's understand the word trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word tri meaning three, gon meaning sides, metron meaning measure. Okay, so trigonometry is the study of relationships between the sides and angles of a triangle, and in this chapter we will study ratios of the sides of a right angled triangle with respect to its acute angle. Okay, now let's learn some basics of trigonometry. Now consider this triangle ABC, right angled at B. Here angle A is the acute angle here. Okay. Now BC is the side opposite to angle A, and AB is the side adjacent to angle A. Now sine of angle A or sine A is side opposite to angle A or opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. See, this AC is our hypotenuse. So if angle A is theta, then sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. That is, what is opposite side here? BC by AC. Okay, so BC by AC is sine theta. Now cos of angle A or cosine of angle A, that is equal to side adjacent to angle A by the hypotenuse. Okay, that means what is the side adjacent to angle A? The side adjacent to angle A is AB here, and the hypotenuse is AC. So cos theta is equal to, or cos angle A is equal to AB by AC. That is base by hypotenuse. Now we will see the tangent of angle A or tan A. What is tan A or tangent A? That is equal to side opposite to angle A. What is the side opposite to angle A? BC by side adjacent to angle A. The side adjacent to angle A is AB. So we have tan angle A, or if theta is angle A, tan theta is equal to BC by AB. Now we will see what is cosecant of angle A or cosec angle A. Cosec theta is hypotenuse by side opposite to angle A. Okay, so we will have cosec theta is equal to AC by BC. Similarly, sec theta or secant of angle A, that is equal to hypotenuse by side adjacent to its base. In the same way, cot of angle A or cot theta is equal to side adjacent to angle A by side opposite to angle A. Now we are going to solve exercise 8.1, question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. Determine first sin A cos A, second sin C cos C. Here it is given triangle ABC is right angled at B and AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find sin A. In order to get sin A, we know that sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. So we have to get the hypotenuse. That means AC. So to find AC, we will use Pythagoras theorem. So we have here, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so AC square is equal to AB square. What is AB square? 24 square plus what is BC square? BC is 7. So it is 7 square. We have 24 square. 24 into 24 is equal to 576. So we have 576 plus 7 square. 7 sevens are 49. Now, okay, we will add 576 plus 49. So that is equal to 6 plus 9, 15, balance 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Balance 1. Added to 5 gives 6 to 5. So that is equal to 625. Now we have AC square is equal to 625. That means AC is equal to, when the square goes to right hand side, it will become root 625. Now we have to find out the root of 625. What is the root of 625? 625. Now if you are taking 5, how many 5s are there in 6? 1. Then 12. How many 5s are there? 2. 25. 5 5s are 25, isn't it? Now if you are taking again 5 outside, 2 5s are 10. 25, 5. Again, if you are taking 5, 5 5s are 25. So 5 into 5, square root of 625 is 5 into 5, 25. That means AC is equal to 25. We got AC is equal to 25. Now we have to find sin A. We know 25. Now we have to find sin A. We know sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side here? Opposite to sin A, opposite to A is BC. So that is equal to 7. BC is 7 here. What is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse AC is 25. So sin A is 25. Now we have to find cos A. Cos A. What is cos? Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side here? Here adjacent side is AB, that is 24, and hypotenuse is 25. So sin A is 7 by 25 and cos A is 24 by 25. Now the same way we have to find sin C and cos C. So sin C. See what is sin C here? Side opposite to C is AB. So opposite side of C is AB, that is 24 by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 25. Now we have to find cos C. What is cos C? C, this is C, and the side adjacent to C is BC. Cos C is 7 by, and hypotenuse is 25. Okay, hope it is clear now.